In 2026, Tesla is reshaping the electric car landscape once again. After dominating the premium EV segment with the Model Y, Tesla is now turning its attention toward affordability and accessibility. The long-awaited Tesla Model 2 has finally arrived, priced at an unbelievable $15,990. But how does this new budget-friendly EV compare to Tesla's bestseller, the Model Y? Today, we'll dive deep into design, performance, range, technology, and real-world usability, side by side, to find out which Tesla deserves your attention. Ion. At first glance, both cars carry Tesla's minimalist DNA. Clean lines, aerodynamic profiles, and signature LED lighting. But the Model 2 is smaller, leaner, and more function-focused. Its body panels are simplified. The sensor setup is tighter, and the overall design is optimized for mass production efficiency. Meanwhile, the Model Y retains a more premium look, sculpted edges, chrome accents, and a panoramic glass roof that screams luxury. While the Model 2 trades beauty for cost, it still feels futuristic, sharp, and unmistakably Tesla. Dimensionally, the Model 2 is about 15% shorter and 10% narrower than the Model Y. However, its wheelbase remains nearly identical, meaning cabin space doesn't feel cramped. This clever engineering allows Tesla to deliver a compact car that still feels big on the inside. Step inside the Model 2, and the simplicity immediately stands out. Gone are the rear entertainment screens and multi-zone climate controls. The seats are wrapped in durable fabric instead of vegan leather, and the speaker count has been trimmed from 15 to 10. Tesla's signature minimalist dashboard remains, dominated by a single 15-inch display. It's clean, practical, and surprisingly spacious for a compact EV. In contrast, the Model Y feels more luxurious. You get heated and ventilated seats, an immersive sound system, RGB ambient lighting, and premium materials throughout. It's a car designed for comfort and long trips, while the Model 2 focuses on simplicity and cost-effectiveness. Despite the price difference, both cars share Tesla's powerful software ecosystem. The Model 2 runs the same interface, complete with over-the-air updates, voice controls, and full self-driving capability. Musk confirmed that even the cheapest Tesla will include FSD hardware, a massive advantage over competitors in the same price range. The Model Y, however, offers a more advanced infotainment setup, including rear passenger entertainment and multi-display options. Its higher computing power allows faster rendering and smoother UI transitions. But functionally, both cars offer the same experience behind the wheel: simple, futuristic, and intelligently connected. This is where the Model Y still hold the crown. The latest performance variant delivers 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures incredible traction and stability. The Model 2, on the other hand, is engineered for efficiency. It uses a single rear motor producing around 250 horsepower, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds. It's not designed for raw speed. It's built for everyday driving and maximum range per dollar. Yet, thanks to its light frame and low center of gravity, it handles corners confidently and feels agile in city environments. The Model 2 is rumored to feature a 53 kilowatt-hours LFP battery pack, delivering roughly 310 miles of range. Tesla's focus on weight reduction, aerodynamics, and optimized software helps extract every mile efficiently. Charging from 10 to 80% takes just 22 minutes using Tesla's V4 superchargers. Meanwhile, the Model Y long range carries a larger 75 kilowatt-hour pack capable of 330 miles per charge. But its heavier build and dual motors slightly reduce efficiency per kilowatt-hour compared to the Model 2. In essence, both vehicles balance range differently. The Model Y gives you endurance, while the Model 2 gives you unmatched affordability. Tesla's reputation for safety continues with both of these models, reflecting the brand's long-standing commitment to advanced engineering and driver protection. Both cars are equipped with 8 external cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and Tesla's Vision AI system, a cutting-edge suite designed to monitor surroundings, predict potential hazards, and prevent accidents before they occur. However, the Model Y's robust build quality reinforced frame, and larger crumple zones give a slight edge in crash resistance and occupant protection. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability, especially in challenging road conditions like rain or snow. These factors contribute to its top-tier safety ratings in multiple international crash tests. On the other hand, the Model 2, though smaller, lighter, and more affordable, still upholds Tesla's global safety standards. It features the same intelligent driver assistance systems, energy-absorbing materials, and automatic emergency response technology found in higher-end models. This makes the Model 2 one of the safest vehicles in its price range, proving that affordability doesn't have to come at the cost of safety. Ultimately, both cars exemplify Tesla's safety-first philosophy, combining AI-driven awareness with intelligent design to protect not only drivers and passengers, but also pedestrians and other vehicles on the road. This is where things get really interesting. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 starts at $15,990, making it the most affordable Tesla ever produced. Even after adding FSD, taxes, and delivery, it barely crosses $20,000, still cheaper than most gas cars in its class. In contrast, the Model Y starts at $43,990 for the base trim and can reach over $60,000 for top configurations. That's nearly triple the cost of the Model 2, but you're paying for range, performance, comfort, and brand prestige. For many buyers, this new Model 2 could be the EV that finally replaces traditional fuel cars for good. It's compact, smart, and genuinely attainable. When it comes to practicality, both Teslas shine in their own ways. The Model Y offers more cargo space, up to 76 cubic feet with the seats folded, making it ideal for families or road trips. The Model 2 provides around 45 cubic feet, still impressive for a compact hatchback. Both vehicles feature Tesla's latest autopilot suite, one-pedal driving, and instant torque response. But the lighter Model 2 consumes less energy per mile, reducing long-term running costs significantly. It's the kind of EV that brings Tesla ownership to a much wider audience. Behind the wheel, the Model Y delivers an experience that feels powerful, confident, and unmistakably premium. Its dual-motor setup provides instant torque, while the adaptive suspension system absorbs road imperfections with ease, creating a ride that's both smooth and composed. Acceleration is effortless. A gentle push of the pedal unleashes a surge of power that feels refined yet thrilling. Combined with its quiet cabin and panoramic visibility, the Model Y offers a sense of command and luxury that makes every journey feel elevated. The Model 2, by contrast, embodies a different spirit, one that's youthful, energetic, and purposefully minimalistic. It's light, agile, and directly connected to the road, offering a more engaging and responsive driving feel. You can sense the precision of Tesla's engineering in every turn, where efficiency takes priority over extravagance, and performance is measured in how intelligently the car adapts to your movements. For city commuters, the Model 2 fits perfectly into the rhythm of urban life. Nimble in traffic, easy to park, and incredibly efficient on energy consumption. It's built for practicality without compromising Tesla's signature driving experience. For highway travelers, families, or long-distance users, the Model Y continues to reign supreme. Its spacious interior, extended range, and stable high-speed dynamics make it the ideal companion for long road trips or daily commutes that demand comfort and endurance. In the end, it's not about which car is better. It's about what kind of driver you are. The Model Y remains a benchmark for premium EV performance and practicality. But the Model 2 redefines what affordable electric truly means. At under $16,000, it's not just a car. It's a revolution for the everyday driver. Tesla has managed to make electric mobility accessible without sacrificing identity or innovation. The Model Y shows where Tesla came from. The Model 2 shows where it's going next. So whether you're chasing power or purpose, Tesla has you covered. And that's why 2026 might just be the year electric vehicles finally become the new normal. Narrated by Viral Autos, your source of the smartest and most exciting car stories on the planet.